Namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel. I am Pooja and today we are going to do 10-minute yoga for neck and shoulder pain relief. So let's get it started. Sit in a comfortable position. Roll your shoulders back, away from your ears. Lengthen your spine and just close your eyes. Find a steady rhythm with your breath. And our affirmation today is, as I have all the answers within me. Repeat the affirmation once again. I have all the answers within me. Connecting to your intuition, your own inner knowing, and allowing this to guide you not only in your yoga practice today, but also for the rest of the day ahead. And you can keep your eyes closed. We are just going to drop right ear towards right shoulder, and you might lift a little bit with your chin, getting a big stretch through the left side of your neck. And if you like to intensify this, you can crawl your left fingertips out to the side, maybe using your right hand to lightly pull your ear further away from your shoulder. So no pressure down, really just lengthening away. Try to relax your jaw. Have all the answers within me. You can roll your chin down a little towards your right shoulder, stretching more the back of your neck. Keep breathing. Let's bring the head all the way back to center and take few shoulder rolls before we go to the other side. So rolling all the way up and down, releasing any tension that might accumulate there. This time, left ear down towards your left shoulder. Keep your chin slightly lifted, and if you like to go further, crawl the right hand out and maybe use your left hand to pull your ear further away from your shoulder. Keep breathing in and out through your nose. You might roll your chin down towards your left shoulder and left armpit. Try to keep your spine nice and tall so you are not rounding or contracting. Just focusing on your neck and come all the way back to center. Just do some shoulder rolls in the opposite direction. So reversing whatever you had been doing. And we will come to tabletop pose. On the hands and knees, sitting up for thread the needle. So palms under your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Inhale, reach your right arm up to the sky, open up, and on the exhale, thread your arm underneath you to lower right shoulder and right ear to the floor. And you might keep your left hand as it is, or you can always straighten your left arm, reaching it up overhead. Push into both palms, both arms. We are trying to stretch in between the shoulder blades, but everyone will feel this one a little bit differently. Soften your jaw, soften your neck. Try to breathe into your upper back. One more big inhale here and slide your left hand back and push into your palm. Come all the way back up, right arm to the sky to tabletop. We will switch side. Inhale, left arm rises. Exhale, thread it through shoulder and ear to the floor. And maybe you extend your right arm up overhead just to get a little bit deeper into it. Stay here for a few breaths. Keep breathing. Right hand slides back, push into the Reopen up through that left arm to tabletop pose. Now move to our downward facing dog. Walk your palms forward, tuck your toes under, and lift your hips all the way up. And really emphasize or release through your neck here, so let your head be heavy. Maybe do a little yes or no. Paddle your feet. Now take your right leg up in the sky. Open your hips, and we are going to step that foot to forward in between the palms and widen your feet a little bit, so you are just a little bit wider than hip width distance apart, and you want to be able to ground that back heel towards the floor, so a wider variation of warrior 1. As you inhale, and because we are emphasizing shoulders here, bend into your elbows, big cactus stretch, and then go ahead and interlace your fingers behind your lower back. Roll the shoulders back, open up through your chest, inhale, and as you exhale, you're gonna dive down, either resting on your thigh if you need more support or going to the inside of the leg. And again, the emphasis is on relaxing your head and trying to squeeze your shoulder back as you lift your knuckles up even higher. So big stretch here. Stay low to the ground. Just let your hands come down to the floor. Lift your back heel off the mat, and you can drop your knee down to the floor. Right hand onto your thighs. Start to look back, a little bit of twist, and maybe you hang out here. Maybe you add a little quad stretch. Bending into that back knee. Reach back with your hand. Very carefully release that back foot, facing forward once more into your low lunge. Let's take equal arms, bend the elbows, right arm under left, a binding once or binding twice, and just tuck your chin towards your biceps. Push your forearms towards one another. Big opening here. Slowly release, come to downward facing dog. You can stay here, or if you want, you can take the vinyasa. Inhale to plank, exhale to chaturanga, inhale to upward facing dog, exhale to downward facing dog. Now bring your knees on the floor. We will set up for supported fish pose before closing our practice. So really lovely pose for the upper back, shoulders and neck. You can place that first block in between the shoulder blades under your upper back, and the second block supports the back of your head. Legs can be straight or in any other position. Just try to relax your arms and your shoulders. Find a slow, steady breath. Feeling the effects of this practice. Setting an intention. I have all the answers within me. Repeat one more time. I have all the answers within me. Take your last 3 deep breaths here. And will come up to take a seat. You might use your head to tuck your chin to your chest, lifting back up. You can close your eyes. Sit any ways that's comfortable for you. Hands at your heart center. Close your eyes, showing yourself gratitude for this time you have taken for your health, your practice. We'll close with a big breath in through your nose and out through our mouth. We'll close our practice with the chant of Om one time. Take deep breath in. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Hope you have enjoyed this class. See you next time. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Namaste. Thanks for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, please like, comment below, and of course subscribe to my channel so you can receive more of my yoga, meditation and health tips. You can also connect with me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are down below. Let's spread love and light beyond infinity.